we got a request to test out one of the highest rated low-cost amplifiers on Amazon, the dual XPE2700 2-channel amplifier, which currently has a rating of 4.4 stars and only costs $50. We've had mixed results in the past with dual products, but we're super curious how this one will perform based on the positive reviews. Dual rates this amplifier 50 watts RMS by 2 channels at 4 ohms, 75 watts RMS by 2 channels at 2 ohms, and 150 watts RMS bridged by 1 channel at 4 ohms. If it comes anywhere near these specs, it's a solid buy. Stay tuned in a few minutes for our power testing. Inside the box is a high-level harness, hardware, Allen key, instruction manual, and 2-channel amplifier. Aesthetically, it's pretty average. I like the LED light on top of the amplifier. This is a very simple amplifier and features a switchable low-pass and high-pass filter, a bass boost 6 dB or 12 dB switch, and a gain control. It also has fairly compact dimensions of 7.88 inches in width, 9.06 inches in depth, and 2.07 inches in height. Connect your aftermarket head unit to the RCA inputs of the amplifier using the head unit's RCA preamp outputs, or tap into the speaker level outputs of your factory head unit's wiring harness with the included high-level harness and input. Connect your speakers to the terminals next to the 30 amp fuse, and we recommend 4-gauge power and ground connections. Check out our amplifier installation kits online at qualitymobilevideo.com. Okay, let's test it out and see what it actually does. 2 channels driven, 4 ohms, 40 hertz, 14.4 volts. Dual rates the amplifier 50 watts RMS here per channel. Our audio precision will generate our signal and to measure distortion. Our XPE2903B audio analyzer picked up 51.19 watts RMS, 1% distortion, and 14.2 volts of output. Channel swap. Our AMM1 read 44 watts. We got 14.28 volts on the Lumi, and we drew 11.86 amps of current. Going to 1 kHz, our HP picked up 54.54 watts RMS, 1% distortion, and 14.6 volts of output. Channel swap. The AMM1 read 42 watts, 14.74 volts on the Lumi, and we drew 11.75 amps of current. Next we went 2 channels, not bridged, 2 ohms, 1 kHz. Our HP picked up 82.82 watts RMS, 1% distortion, and 12.7 volts of output. Channel swap. The AMM1 read 64 watts, 12.84 volts on the Lumi, and we drew 19.99 amps of current. Two channels, 40 hertz, 2 ohms, not bridged, our HP picked up 74.66 watts RMS, 1% distortion, and 12.1 volts of output. Channel swap. The AMM1 read 64 watts, 12.18 volts on the Lumi, and we drew 19.8 amps of current. Our final test was on frequency response. We used our audio precision to run up each frequency. Not bad, Dual. Would you take a flyer on this cheapy amplifier on Amazon? Be sure to get all of your car audio and video gear with us today at qualitymobilevideo.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you're new, click that like button, join the conversation below, and thanks for watching.